Hello, and so for today, I'm going to discuss with you what are the practical work that you're supposed to submit to me that I will be checking by tomorrow, Monday. I'd just like to clear this. I have already discussed this in class, so more or less you have an idea. So here, you need to submit this. This will be practical three of your work to be uploaded in the Google Drive in the folder that you have created, and make sure that you have typed it correctly and make sure that it runs. Please make sure that you don't just exchange or somebody will do it and then you'll just pass it around. You know, it's better that you would know how to do it because programming is all about practice, so you need to practice it as well. Now, this is practical 3 to be submitted by tomorrow, Monday, together with practical 1 and 2 and 3. So I've already extended 2 weeks for you to finish all the 3 practicals that I ask you. Now, these are the other practices that I like you to do. My mouse is not working. Wait, where are you? All right. So for the other exercises that I'd like you to do, you can save it as practice 1. So the first practice 1 that you're going to do would be concatenate. This one you can find on page 20 in your textbook. So try to work at it, how it would look like, how it would run. Now, for the benefit of review, for those who forgot about Python, how do we are making use of the shell. I'm sorry, we're making use of the new window, and then we will run this in the module. So we click and then enter a word. So let us say hello, and then enter another world. So we have there, it's concatenated, it's combined. Now, the next one that you have to do and also uploaded in your folder would be string len, built-in function. We call it built-in function. Please don't forget to put or to add your comment on the top, so it will be easier for you to check on this when you go back and you will be needing it for your future classes. So in here, what we're going to do is you need to enter a message len and it will count, right? So run module. Okay, enter a message. So let us say good morning 9 week. Okay, so 14. Check it out if it runs and count also, so you would understand how the concept of counting or doing len is done in Python. Now, the last but not the least that I would be asking you, this will be a task for you, not necessarily part of your practical work, but it would be for those people who would like to do a challenge. So this is a program that you need to create for Python, and you're going to make use of if-else statements for this. So the challenge would be when I run the program, it will ask me a question, what is the temperature? So if I will be giving a higher temperature, it will give me a statement to wear shorts. And the other statement, if I would give a lower temperature, let us say 1, it will give me another statement. And as for the clue for this Python challenge project, you will be using an if-else statement. So that's about it for this weekend. I hope you're able to do your work. This challenge, let's see if I will be giving you extra mark. Maybe not an extra mark, a special gift. Okay, just make sure not to copy from each other and try to do the challenge on your own. So best of luck to everyone tomorrow. I'll be checking our practicals 1, 2, and 3. And for practice 1 and 2, within the week, at least you can upload it. That will be until Friday, this coming Friday. And for this challenge, I'll be giving it until tomorrow. So again, practical 1, 2, 3 plus the challenge. If you can do this by tomorrow, I'll be checking it. Thank you and have a nice day, and good luck. I hope somebody from the class will be able to do this.